Hi, everyone. Welcome to today's episode. I'm so happy you're here with me. Today, we will talk about how to speak English better and faster. Maybe you have tried to speak English before, but you feel shy or nervous. That's okay. This is normal. In this episode, I will share easy and fun tips to help you speak English confidently. Don't worry if you're a beginner. I will speak slowly and clearly so you can listen and learn easily. Are you ready? Let's start. The first step to speaking English better is to change your mindset. What does that mean? It means how you think about learning English. Many people are afraid to speak because they think, what if I make a mistake? But making mistakes is part of learning. Everyone makes mistakes, even native speakers. Mistakes help you learn new things. So don't be afraid. Try to speak as much as you can. Say simple sentences. If you don't know a word, try to explain it in another way. For example, if you don't know the word hungry, you can say, I want to eat. It's okay to make mistakes. Be brave and keep trying. Practice every day and you will improve. Listening is very important to learning English. Try to listen to English every day. You can watch movies, listen to songs, or podcasts. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Your brain is learning the sounds and the rhythm of English. For example, watch your favorite movie or show with English subtitles. Listen and read at the same time. Try to repeat some sentences after the actors. This helps your pronunciation and your listening skills. If you hear a new word, write it down and look up the meaning later. Listening a little every day helps you a lot. Speaking every day is very important. Try to speak English every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. You can talk to yourself. For example, say what you are doing. I am cooking rice. I am washing dishes. Or describe what you see. The sky is blue. My phone is new. If you have a friend who speaks English, practice with them. Don't worry about grammar or mistakes at first. The important thing is to use your voice and practice. Remember, practice makes perfect. When you speak, use simple sentences. Don't try to use difficult words or long sentences. Simple sentences are easier to remember and say. For example, instead of saying, I am feeling ecstatic today, say, I am very happy today. Simple sentences help you communicate better. Also, learn common phrases that people use every day. For example, how are you? Thank you. I don't understand. These phrases help you speak in real life. Try to practice these phrases often. Record your voice when you speak English. You can use your phone or computer. Listen to your recording. You might hear mistakes or words that are hard to understand. That's okay. Try to say the sentence again, better and clearer. Recording yourself helps you improve your pronunciation and speaking skills. Don't be shy. Everyone can improve with practice. Try to record yourself every week and listen to see your progress. Here are some extra tips for you. Number 1, use a dictionary or app to learn new words. Number 2, join online groups or chat with people who speak English. Number 3, watch videos with subtitles. Number 4, read simple English books or stories. Number 5, be patient and don't give up. Let's review what we talked about today. Number 1, change your mindset. Number 2, listen every day. Number 3, speak every day. Number 4, use simple sentences. Number 5, record and listen to yourself. Remember, learning English takes time and practice. It's okay to make mistakes. The most important thing is to keep trying. You can do it. Thank you for listening to today's episode. I hope you learned some useful tips. See you next time.